We welcome you to our channel ASLP Club with our next video on the topic ear-related problems. We will be discussing symptoms, causes and some tips for protecting your ears. Before jumping onto the topic, let's look importance of hearing. It's required for communication, for personal safety from dangers, for working, for development and learning. Hence, we require hearing in almost all of our daily activities. People do face a lot of ear problems. First, reduced hearing, also called as hearing loss, is the most common symptom. The loss may be in one or both ears. The person may not be able to hear only soft sounds or all levels of sounds. The loss may be progressive or sudden after a trauma. Second symptom, difficulty understanding speech. You may need repetitions comprehending speech and perceive mumbling speech from others. Third symptom, ear pain and ear discharge. Sometimes ear pain may be with or without ear discharge. You may also feel irritation into the ears. It can be ear infection and or eardrum perforation. Fourth symptom, buzzing or ringing sounds in ears. It is called tinnitus. The sounds may be continuous or intermittent and may cause irritability. It can also cause headache. Fifth symptom, intolerance to sounds and headache. It can cause irritability, severe headache and dizziness. Lastly, we'll see how to check symptoms on children. Child may show no response to soft and loud sounds. Inattentive behavior of child. Child may not speak or vocalize according to his or her age. That may be language delaying child due to hearing deprivation. The child may frequently scratch near ears. This may show possibility of ear infections or irritation in ears. Let me show you hearing behaviors in typically growing children across age. An infancy or very early baby of 1 or 2 months gives a startle response to loud sounds, while a baby of 3 months may recognize parents' voice and quietens when hearing. A 6-month-old baby localizes sounds by turning his or her head or eyes. And 1-year-old baby have the ability of imitating sounds. Most of the ear problems lead to hearing loss as it damages the parts of the ear. Hearing loss is the most common among all ear problems. Moving on to the causes. It may have caused due to exposure to loud sounds, due to trauma to ear, due to some medications, due to ear infections like meningitis. Maybe the disorder has tendency to run in families. Excess of earwax can also cause problems. In cases of infants, it may be due to complications at birth like premature birth, jaundice, ear infections, etc. Now the question that arises is, whom to visit for all of these problems? The answer is an audiologist or ENT doctor. An audiologist is a licensed hearing healthcare professional who specializes in the assessment and management of hearing loss and balance disorders in adults and children. Before concluding, here are some care of ear tips for you. Avoid listening to loud sounds. Protect your ears with earplugs, muffs, etc. Avoid removing earwax at home. Do not put sharp objects into the ear. Never put oil or other materials into the ear. Visit an audiologist or ENT doctor for the ear problems. Undergo annual hearing health follow-ups. We wish you a good hearing health. Thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe to our channel. You can also comment us for the kind of videos you would like to have.